300 SL Gullwing. And our Gullwing is followed by the 1957 Jaguar C-Type, which was once owned by 5 times Formula 1 World Champion Juan Manuel Fangio. The Mercedes-Benz then, the 300 SL was... In 2008, this car fetched nearly £5.6 million or $11 million US at auction, making it, at the time, the most valuable vintage car ever sold under the hammer. Is followed on the Grand Parade by the rather distinctively coloured 1969 Lamborghini Miura S. The Miura was produced between 1966 and 1973 as a model, and at the time of its launch the Miura was the fastest production road car available. In the end, only 764 were ever built. Of the 1960s are equally a sight to behold. So in our parade we have the 1966 Jaguar Series 1 E-Type 4.2 litre, the 1962 Ford Saxon Cortina, the 1964 AC Cobra, and the 1965 Aston DB6. So to the E-Type, the original E-Type manufactured from 1961 to 1975. So first up we have the Range Rover, launched in 1970 by the Rover company, of course creators of the Land Rover marque. The idea of producing a larger brother to the Land Rover was first developed as far back as 1958, but the Road Rover project, as it was then called, was shelved and lay dormant until 1966. In 67, a prototype was built and the design finally realised in 1969. And it's followed by our second car in this section, the 1975 Vauxhall 2.3 Slant 4 Forenza, otherwise known as the Droopsnoot, thanks to its Concorde-esque aero appendage at the front. This car developed and designed by Vauxhall's guru, Wayne Cherry. Next in line is our 1975 Jenson Interceptor Convertible. Jensen introduced the Interceptor back in 1966 at the London Earls Court Motor Show. Interceptors were hand-built at their West Bromwich factory between 1966 and 1976.